everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Chef Lara from larasvegankitchen.com and I'm here to inspire you to get creative in your kitchen. That's why I'm sharing every Monday a new easy vegan recipe, and you can find the link to the full recipe in the description box below. So if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Now I'm going to show you how to make easy vegan lentil tacos. Because it's easy, it's vegan, it's healthy, it's gluten-free and it's super delicious. So let's go cooking. The first step is to prepare the lentils in a small casserole. So here I'm going to cook it. And this is my lentils. They should be fully soaked. So at least around 2 hours. But if you feel you have some bloating issues or problems when you consume lentils, then you can use a small trick. I'm soaking the lentils for 24 hours first, and then afterwards I remove the water and just keep them wet, so they start to sprout already. And this way all the nutrients are going to be dissolved and they're much more easy to digest. So this is just an extra step you can do if you're feeling any inconvenience when consuming lentils. And yeah, this is a good trick. So now we're going to cook it till the lentils get soft, and meanwhile we're going to prepare the dressing. Now I'm going to start with the mushroom filling. I'm adding some olive oil into a hot pan, and then I'm going to add the mushrooms and fry them till they get soft. So now, after all the water has evaporated, I'm going to add some more olive oil to get the mushrooms really crunchy. So now I'm going to add the onions, all fine diced. Now the onions are starting to brown, and I'm going to add a little bit more olive oil for the garlic. Give it a mix as well. And I have here all the spices. You will find in the description box below a link to the full recipe, so you will find all the spices which I used. It's a few but very common ones. And why I do this now is to enhance the flavor of the spices. And you do it only in the end, because then the mixture will get a little bit dry. And here are my cooked lentils. I'm just adding them now as well. And they're still moist, so it's a good combination. Give it a good stir. So now we prepared all our steps, and in order to keep it low carb, we just use baby lettuce cups, and they're very crunchy and tasty. So now I'm going to add some creamy avocado. And then some of our mushrooms. Now we're going to add our creamy tahini sauce. Look at that, beautiful. So that's it. Let's go and have lunch. So as I told you, it's easy, it's vegan, it's healthy, it's gluten-free and it's delicious. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it and hit the subscribe button to know when my video is up next Monday. I hope I could inspire you to go cooking, and let me know in the comments below how your dish turned out and what you want to see next. Happy cooking, everyone!